Alrighty, it's just so that you can see behind the scenes. What a mess. Had to rip it out, start again. I'm gonna redo everything until it comes right. Yep, we've got to that one's not so bad. Got to get that one to fit over there, but I've got to pull that wall out and I've got to refabricate that drawer and then the lid to get it all to fit. But hey, that's what it's all about, brother. Just wanted to take you through ins and outs, ups and downs, and yeah. Alright, I'll show you the finished product once it's done. See you.